we knew along the lines we needed to serve our distribution network in a better way. Portals was the obvious choice for that. We use that to supply our distribution partners with all of our product images, logos, any location images that we feel are good for them to use. We separate it out by our different brands and the segments for those brands. So we maybe have 20 different portals for brand, segment, and location if it's international or North America. And based on that, we put in what type of washers, dryers, ironers they need. We push that portal out to our extranet, which is the single source where our distributors go for all the various information they need. We also created a portal that lives on our company intranet site that has all of our letterheads, our PowerPoint templates, the logos, the brand guidelines, making sure everyone across the company has access to those core assets.
Wyden, an Acquia company.